Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be having lunch at Wolfgang Puck at Disney Springs. Let's get started. We just finished up lunch at Wolfgang Puck. I had a burger, $22. It was very good. Okay, a little time has passed now, and we are going to now check out one of the items that I got at Disney Springs while we were there. And it is a Magicband Plus. Let's see what it is. So this is the Main Street Electrical Parade, or Disney's Electrical Parade, Magicband Plus. Let's take a look. So how you get this thing out of the box is that there is a tab on the top here that you open up, and then it slides right. Should slide right out. There we go. Okay, now that we've got it out inside of the pack here, so this is inside of the pack, we've got the Magicband itself and its charging port right here. Now let's take this thing out of the box. Snip away. Okay, and that should get it all out there. Look at that. Here's a better look at the Electrical Parade Magicband. You got the snail on the puck in front here. On the top of the band is Mickey Mouse and some text that says Disney's Electrical Light Parade. On the other end of the band is one of the mushroom floats from the Alice in Wonderland unit. You have Pete's Dragon and a ladybug and a firefly and a turtle. So you can either charge the Magicband by putting it into a USB port, or you can take a USB port with a plug at the end and then stick it into a wall socket. To actually charge the Magicband, you take the Magicband and place it into its housing here. Gotta wait till it clicks. There we go. It is in. Then once you have your socket that you use, you plug it in. And to indicate that it is charging, the Magicband will blink green. Thank you guys for joining me on this awesome adventure to Disney Springs. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing, and hit that notification bell for notifications on future uploads of videos. See you guys next time.